Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world around us. It is the ability of machines to learn and make decisions like humans. In the telecommunications industry, AI is revolutionizing the way we connect and communicate. AI can analyze massive amounts of data, automate tasks, and personalize experiences. This technology is making networks faster, more efficient, and more responsive to our needs. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, but a present-day reality. It is transforming how telecom companies operate and serve their customers. From predicting network outages to providing personalized recommendations, AI is making a tangible difference. As we generate more data than ever before, AI is essential for managing this information and extracting valuable insights.
Recognizing the importance of AI in driving technological advancement, Pakistan is actively seeking collaborations with global leaders in the field. International telecom giants are showing keen interest in investing in Pakistan's digital infrastructure and AI capabilities. These partnerships are bringing in much-needed expertise, technology, and financial resources. These collaborations are not limited to infrastructure development but also extend to knowledge sharing and capacity building. Training programs and workshops are being organized to equip Pakistani engineers and developers with the skills needed to harness the full potential of AI. The exchange of ideas and best practices is fostering an environment of innovation.
Pakistan has set ambitious goals for its digital transformation, aiming to connect the unconnected and bridge the digital divide. The government is focusing on expanding broadband internet access, particularly in underserved areas. Initiatives are underway to increase smartphone penetration and make digital literacy a priority. These efforts are driven by the understanding that a digitally empowered citizenry is essential for economic growth and social progress. By providing access to information, education, and online services, Pakistan aims to unlock the potential of its people and create a more inclusive society.
Infrastructure hurdles bridging the connectivity gap. Despite the progress made, Pakistan faces challenges in implementing AI solutions effectively. One of the main hurdles is the lack of advanced infrastructure, particularly in rural areas. The rollout of fifth-generation networks, crucial for handling the massive data demands of AI applications, is still in its early stages. Another challenge is the availability of reliable and affordable electricity. AI systems require significant computing power, which translates to high energy consumption. Addressing the energy deficit and transitioning towards sustainable energy sources is vital for supporting AI-powered infrastructure.
Education and skills, empowering the next generation of innovators. To fully leverage the power of artificial intelligence, Pakistan needs a skilled workforce capable of developing, deploying, and maintaining AI systems. This requires a robust education system that emphasizes science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields. Investing in quality education and vocational training is crucial. Universities and research institutions need to collaborate with industry partners to offer specialized courses in AI, data science, and machine learning. Creating a pipeline of skilled professionals will not only support the growth of the telecom sector, but also drive innovation across various industries.
A future powered by AI unlocking Pakistan's potential. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize Pakistan's telecom sector and drive the country towards a more digitally inclusive future. By addressing the challenges of infrastructure, education, and societal norms, Pakistan can harness the full power of AI for economic growth and social progress. The journey towards a digitally empowered Pakistan requires collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to inclusivity. By embracing AI and investing in its people, Pakistan can unlock its true potential and secure a brighter future for generations to come.